Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a new video for you. Today in this video, we will share about reception desk design ideas. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share this video with your friends. Thank you. Dear viewers, in the bustling world of offices and businesses space, the reception desk stands as a symbol of the first point of contact, the epicenter of welcoming vibes, and a crucial element in the shaping the visitor experience. This comprehensive guide aims to unravel the intricacies of reception desks, exploring their types, myriad benefits, and the essential elements that contribute to optimal visitor comfort. At its core, a reception desk is more than just a piece of furniture. It is the ambassador of your office space, the first impression maker, and the operational hub of your reception area. This specialized desk is where greetings are exchanged, information is disseminated, and the overall atmosphere of your business is set. The reception desk stands as the focal point of any welcoming space, setting the tone for the entire environment. The world of reception desk is diverse, offering a range of styles that cater to various aesthetics and functionality. Let's explore some of the distinct types of reception desks that can enhance the welcoming atmosphere of your front office. First of all, traditional reception desks, characterized by classic designs and often crafted from wood. Traditional reception desks exude timeless elegance. These desks are ideal for business that aims to convey a sense of established and formal professionalism. On the second number, modern and minimalist reception desks. Sleek lines, minimalist aesthetics, and the use of materials like glass and metal define modern reception desks. These designs are popular in contemporary office spaces that seek a clean and uncluttered look. Carved reception desks, adding a touch of sophistication and fluidity to the reception area. Carved reception desks create a welcoming environment. They are ideal for businesses looking to break away from traditional straight line designs. L-shaped reception desks, minimizing space utilization and providing ample work surface. L-shaped reception desks are practical for multitasking. Standing reception desks, emphasizing a more active and health-conscious approach. Standing reception desks contribute to a dynamic workspace. Paired with high stools, they encourage brief and efficient instructions